Hello everyone, myself Mukti and my today's essay is on the winter season. Please watch till the end to get full marks in the examination. Winter season is the coldest season which starts in the month of December and lasts till the mid of March. Winter season arrives after autumn season and is caused mainly due to orientation in the axis of Earth away from sun. December and January are the coldest months of winter season. During winter season, high speed of cold winds blows from north region in peak months. During winter season, night becomes long and day becomes of shorter duration. Winter season is an ideal season for tours and travels to hilly regions. It is the season of healthy fruits and green leafy vegetables. Major festivals like Deepawali, Makar Sankranti and Republic Day fall in winter season. Various beautiful birds like Siberian cranes and blue throat migrate to India during winter season. Excess cold during winter season also brings a period of discomfort to old and poor people. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.